I say, ooh. No love. No, 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 no. Lily. Look at Lily. Say hello. Say hello. That's baby Lily for you. That's baby Lily. That's baby Lily. Oh, she is in that stage where she is literally learning how to walk. And she is so lazy to do it. Like, whenever you try to, like, Lily, walk, 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 she won't do it. And the moment you take your mind off it and you're like, I'm focused on other stuff, she's gonna start walking. Lily, what are you doing? So the cows are going out, right? So she wants to follow the cows. I don't know why. Lily! So weird. So I'm cooking one of my favorite veggies. The problem is it takes so many hours to cook it. You would swear you're cooking um beef. Yes, you would swear you're cooking that. It takes so many hours and I'm not into that. It's so boring. I have no choice because it's one of my favorite veggies. And as somebody who likes veggies, I prefer to eat veggies 2 or 3 times per week. I don't care if it's the same veggie, it must be eaten. I must eat veggies 2 or 3 times per week. I grew up like that. My dad was somebody who was like a farmer, so we always had veggies at home. And we always had to add veggies as a side dish. And when I grew up, became independent, had my own preferences, I followed that same mindset. Eh? Come back. Ah, mbe. It was a mistake. It was not on purpose. Sorry. Fine. Within the next 30 minutes, this is what I'm cooking.